Hi everyone, I'm Umbreen and we have Eamon who is a mental health counselor. And since we have such a wonderful co host, we decided to kind of dive right into a very first topic called postpartum depression. So, welcome.
Hi everyone, this is Dr. Aman Tawheed, and that's my friend Ems. As she just introduced, this is the very first episode of our podcast. We welcome you all, and as we mentioned, the topic is postpartum depression. It's mostly mental health issue. We're gonna keep it a little bit not that funny. We'll try to bring a little bit jokes, but try to keep it serious because the topic is very serious.
Yeah. And did you know that 1 in 7 women who give birth to a child in their postpartum phase go through symptoms of postpartum depression, which is basically an umbrella term for any persistent feelings of depression or just feeling sad or feeling worried or anxious all the time. But Eamon, I think it's not just 1 in 7, it's probably more than that. Like, dare I say 1 in 5 or 1 in 4, because, people just don't come forward. And you know how people are in South Asian society, it's considered a stigma and people just don't want to talk about it.
आई डेफिनेटली अग्री अमरीन और पोस्टमार्टम डिप्रेशन की भी टाइप्स हैं तो अगर आप टॉक इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द ब्लूज आई थिंक एवरी वुमन हैव पोस्टमार्टम ब्लूज आपको नहीं पता होता है कि बच्चा कैसे देखना है बच्चे को कैसे टेक केयर
Yeah.
करनी है आपको अपनी कैसे टेक केयर करनी है क्योंकि आपकी बॉडी इतने चेंजेस से गुजर रही होती है so it's not just postpartum, and then it has a very, very big chance of turning into postpartum depression. And as you said, 1 in 7, that's still a big number if that is on paper. But yeah, so many undiagnosed, so many undeclared. It's
Yeah.
definitely more than that.
Yeah. And people, like, especially when they have their first kid, like you said, there's so many things going on. They, especially like, since our podcast is about overseas South Asians, here you don't have a lot of parental support. You don't have a lot of, you don't if you're not living with someone, like, not a lot of us are blessed to be around parents and extended family and in-laws. So if you're living alone, then it's much more harder.
It definitely is. और अगर आप पाकिस्तान में तो चलो you have a whole village to help you.
Hmm.
लेकिन अगर आप बाहर कहीं कंट्री में रह रहे हैं यूके में हैं यूएस में हैं एनीवेयर इन द वर्ल्ड तो आपका डिप्रेशन और एडअप हो जाता है बिकॉज यू डोंट हैव फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स टू टॉक टू एंड यू डोंट हैव सपोर्ट इन जनरल इफ द पार्टनर इज स्टिल वर्किंग उनको पेटर्निटी लीव नहीं मिली है
Yeah.
another is gonna bear it double what she is bearing.
Yeah.
So it definitely increases if you're isolated for sure.
हाँ, बिल्कुल, absolutely. And I'm always very thankful. Like, अभी जैसे मेरे पेरेंट्स आए हैं विजिट करने, मैं जभी भी I go to see my in-laws, I'm very helpful and I'm very thankful कि वो अगर वो मुझे छोटी से छोटी चीज़ के साथ हेल्प करते हैं. फॉर इंस्टेंस, even if they're just asking me, have you eaten food, or can we take care of the older one, so that you can, if they see that I'm preoccupied with the baby, even if they help out with the older one, or even if they just put the younger one to sleep, even that is such a big thing, and that is also such a good thing. So, when we say support comes in many forms. It could be a good word, a kind word. It could be something very small, something very basic, and that can make your day. So yeah, alhamdulillah, I feel grateful, but I feel like I hear a lot of horror stories. So, important to kind of talk about it.
So yeah, definitely. I mean, you and I are lucky to have a wonderful family around us जो हमें help करते हैं, हमें support करते हैं.
Mhm. Yeah.
There's so many women, especially अगर आप पाकिस्तान में देखें, and the cultural norms, it's very difficult. Some people have difficult families, difficult mothers, difficult in-laws. Everyone has their own challenges.
Yeah.
We are blessed to have good families around, good support system. लेकिन लोगों को बहुत तरह तरह की बातें सुननी पड़ती हैं एक तो आपने इतनी तकलीफ उठा के बच्चा पैदा किया है और जब आप घर आते हैं और आप थोड़ा सा रेस्ट करना चाह रहे हैं एंड देन व्हेन यू हियर वर्ड्स के हमने तो अपने वक्त में 6 बच्चे पाले हैं और तुमसे एक नहीं संभल रहा है सो दीज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स इट्स जस्ट आई नो दे आर कमिंग दे आर ट्राइंग टू motivate her to help in a way. That's just a cultural thing, and they don't know that they're hurting her more, क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ awareness ही नहीं है कि postpartum depression की severity क्या है.
Right.
उनको आइडिया ही नहीं है कि इट कैन बिकम साइकोसिस टू, जहाँ पे माँ इवन अपने आप को और बच्चे को हार्म तक कर सकती है. एंड आई हैव केसेस, आई एम नॉट गोना गो इनटू वेरी सिवियर केसेस बिकॉज आई एम हियर टू हेल्प, but that can if people just can be more empathetic and sympathetic toward others in what words they are choosing at that time, that is very helpful.
Bilkul. And I just want to add, so for people who don't know, Eamon and I went to the same medical school around the same time as well. And I'm sure Eamon ne bhi suna hoga, maine definitely suna hai in med school when patients used to come see us, and if they had recently given birth, um, and if they were facing some postpartum blues or symptoms of depression, they were told by numerous people around them, friends, family, their support system, that you should just be happy because you had a kid. Aapko khush hona chahiye. Look at so and so. If they're not, if they don't have a kid right now, you should be very happy that you had a kid, and what do you have to worry about? And it feels like they're the minimalizing what the mom is going through. So again, kind words, so supportive words, supportive acts of kindness, all kind of come into play here, and I think we should all do it more.
और पाकिस्तानी कल्चर में स्पेशली अगर हम बात करें, इंडियन कल्चर में हम लोग समझते हैं कि ये एक औरत की जॉब है बच्चे को देखना.
Yeah.
Or husbands, luckily we have nice husbands, but again I'm gonna add, because I have so many stories. हमें जो questions आए हैं और जो हमें लोगों ने approach किया है और जो life stories हमारे सामने हैं,
बिल्कुल.
husbands don't understand that this woman needs support. अगर वो थोड़ा सा 10 मिनट भी बच्चे को लेके बैठ जाए ना, वो जाके बेचारी शावर ले सकती है. So even these kind of small things,
Very small things. Yeah.
yeah, and they don't know कि ये वो उसको उसकी conditions को बढ़ा रहे हैं, उसकी mental condition को, and this is harmful for their own family life. अगर वो नहीं normal रहती, अगर अल्लाह ना करे वो बच्चे को harm कर देती है या अपने आप को harm कर देती है, तो आपकी अपनी family life तबाह हो रही है. Just being there for her for 30 minutes a day, at least that any person can do.
बिल्कुल. एंड उस वक्त आपको नींद भी नहीं आ रही होती है. You're constantly worried, like, thankfully I didn't get hit with postpartum depression, or any major blues, but I do remember being constantly worried when I had a newborn. Like, you're constantly thinking, when is the next feeding cycle? When is the next sleeping cycle? And then, I don't know about you, Eamon, but breastfeeding did not come naturally to me. Just जैसा वो media में portray करते हैं, या I was part of a few Facebook groups, like they were like, oh, it's so natural. You won't even you don't even have to do anything. But no, you have to take out time to stay hydrated. You have to take out time to eat a healthy, balanced diet. You have to, take out time to pump, especially if you're working. Like my first baby ke saath mein patients dekh rahi hoti thi, and I would save the time on my phone कि मुझे इस वक्त ये करना है. Like I have to pump, save the milk in the refrigerator, then take it home before it doesn't expire. Like it's work. It is actual work. Like it's not natural. So I feel like fed is best. As long as your baby, whether you're using breast milk or using formula, to me, I don't know about you, Eamon.
Amreen, definitely, it's not easy. Anything regarding the baby is not easy. Even the giving the bath, everything.
Everything,
care
yeah.
of even putting him to sleep. Breastfeeding definitely is not easy. It doesn't
Right.
come natural for everyone, and we have to normalize this. Again, this is not normal. कोई नहीं कर पा रहा है तो वो कहते हैं, "हे, मैंने तो 2 साल तक उसको feed कराया."
Yeah. See, that's a
4 साल
big.
तक
ये
So
हम बहुत सुनते हैं अपने
this,
culture में, right?
every woman is trying their hard,
Yeah.
and if they cannot do this, आप उनको undermine ना करें. हर किसी की journey, हर किसी की पेरेंटिंग, हर किसी का प्रेगनेंसी पोस्टपार्टम इज डिफरेंट.
It's different, yeah.
If you are able to do it, बहुत हम आपके लिए बहुत खुश हैं. But you know, if कोई नहीं कर पा रहा है तो
Yeah,
उसको आप सपोर्ट करें and
yeah.
normalize it's okay
It's
to
yeah, it's
tolerate.
okay. Yeah,
It's
it's
okay.
okay to
Yes.
not have. So some mythbusters are कि आप जो plan करते हैं during a pregnancy, that always does not happen. Like, you know, God has its own ways. जो आप plan करते हैं, आप, you know, even if you're ready with your hospital bag, things may not go as planned. So जब expectations पे जब आपकी pregnancy and delivery नहीं उतरती है, तो you know that causes a higher risk for PPD. So, you know, try to set your own expectations. If you're currently pregnant, okay, you know, I'm going to plan, and then God has his own plans. It may not go as expected. So I'm ready. I am ready as a mom. I'm a mom already. Even if I've not had a child born yet, if you know, if they're still, you know, inside my belly, if I've had, you know, a child that I've lost, I'm still a mom, you know. So I think ये बहुत important होता है. And then breastfeeding, if it doesn't go according to plan, yeah, you know, बच्चे का height weight doesn't go according to plan, like it's okay, you know, we're strong moms and we can work around it. But yeah, I feel like ये risk factors, along with what the South Asian society says to a new mom, I think really plays into the equation as well.
Yeah,
What do you think?
definitely, definitely. So it's just be more supportive. Mental health जो है वो acceptable ही नहीं है हमारी सोसाइटी में, चाहे वो postpartum हो, prepartum हो या in general किसी को
In
depression.
general, yeah, any kind of, even if
तो
it's
वो जो पहला वर्ड जो आता है ना, मेंटल रिटार्डेशन एंड पागलपन, दिस इज द फर्स्ट थिंग वी से इंस्टेड ऑफ सपोर्टिंग द अदर पर्सन. जबकि अगर आप देखें तो सारी सोसाइटी को ही कोई ना कोई साइकोलॉजिकल मेंटल इश्यूज से हर कोई कोई ना कोई गुजर रहा होता है. नॉट इवन इफ दिस नॉट अ मेंटल हेल्थ इशू, दे गोइंग थ्रू स्ट्रेस,
yeah,
and that also affects your mental health. So
yeah,
it's just acceptance in general of this topic will be helpful for every mom and every woman in general who is about to become a mom. क्योंकि हर किसी के लिए मॉम बनना भी कोई बहुत इजी नहीं है.
right,
ठीक है, एवरीवन गोज थ्रू देयर ओन जर्नी. किसी के फॉरेन बेबी हो जाते हैं, किसी को कई साल लगते हैं. अल्लाह को पता है कि किसकी क्या जर्नी है, किसको कब
mhm,
क्या देना है. इट्स
yeah,
नॉट अ कॉम्पिटिशन. एवरीवन इज लिविंग देयर ओन लाइफ. प्लीज जस्ट स्टॉप
yeah.
जजिंग
So,
एनीवन.
and comparing, you know, like, oh, so and so had so and so kids, I was not, or so and so, like gender disappointment होती है, uh, number के हिसाब से होती है, like, you know, it's it is hard. And as somebody who has also gone through her own struggles, I would say कि easy नहीं है. But I think setting expectations is extremely important. And then, of course, find people who support you. जैसे मुझे पता है कि if I go to my in-laws or to my parents, I will be supported. You know, so find your support system, find your village, identify those people, and, you know, take it from there. Just say, I know Eamon is a big support for me in my life, right? Like, I'll have more friends, but I know Eamon is supportive. So of course I will automatically kind of get pulled in, towards her positive energy. And I think that really counts.
Another thing is वही जो तुमने कहा कि जेंडर डिसअपॉइंटमेंट, अनसोलिसिटेड एडवाइसेस जो हमारे कल्चर में लोग देते हैं. इवन दो आई हैव ग्रेट सेट ऑफ फ्रेंड्स अराउंड मी, बट उनमें भी कुछ लोग, अब जैसे मेरे 3 बेटे, अब हर कोई जो आ रहा है ना वो मुझ पे तरस खा रहा होता है कि नहीं, आप तुम्हें तो एक बेटी भी होनी चाहिए ताकि तुम्हारी बैलेंस हो जाए लाइफ. तुम्हारी लाइफ अभी बैलेंस नहीं है. सो थिंग्स लाइक दिस, इट्स जस्ट नॉट जस्ट फॉर मी. और जिन बेचारों के बेटे नहीं होते उसका तो आपको पाकिस्तानी कल्चर में पता ही है, उस पे तो सब तरस खा रहे होते हैं कि पता नहीं बेटी हो गई तो क्या हो गया, जबकि हम भी बेटियां ही हैं. वी
Yeah,
आर वर्किंग मॉम्स, वी हैव आवर प्रोफेशनल लाइफ, वी आर डॉक्टर्स. लेकिन वही जहनियत जो है पाकिस्तान कल्चर की है ना, वो वहीं पे अटकी रहेगी कि बेटा तो पता नहीं क्या प्राइस है.
yeah, yeah.
तो
They
इट्स
they
जस्ट अ
put
लॉट ऑफ
certain
स्मॉल स्मॉल.
genders on a pedestal, and even if you have 2 to 3 kids, or अगर एक gender के हैं, you'll still hear it, you know. So yeah, I mean, just, you know,
So
एक can't say, like, I think I've with the second kid, I think I've developed a very tough skin, that I've learned
yeah,
art of having a
that's what
poker
one has to
face,
do.
and just, you know,
So
work
I think we
from
have, yeah, 5 more minutes. So हम कुछ questions ले सकते हैं. Do you have some questions, Amreen? लोगों ने जो भेजे हैं?
हाँ, मेरे पास काफ़ी सवाल आए थे and I had to streamline some of those questions. So, a lot of people asked treatment options. So, Eamon, I would rather let you take the lead for this because you also do some counseling. So, what do you recommend if somebody has identified that they have symptoms of PPD, तो क्या करना चाहिए उनको?
डेफिनेटली, सो इसके तरीके हैं। इसके लिए आपकी कॉग्निटिव बिहेवियरल थेरेपी भी होती है। थेरेपी इज नॉट समथिंग टैबू। प्लीज गो अहेड एंड टॉक टू समवन। कई दफ़ा फैमिली में सपोर्टिव लोग नहीं होते हैं, एज जैसे आई जस्ट मेंशन कि अमरीन एंड आई आर लकी टू हैव सपोर्टिव फैमिलीज एंड इन लॉज। Everybody doesn't have it. So please go out and talk to a therapist. They're just going to talk to you and help you walk through those problems you're having. तो
Right.
आप उस इशू उस मसले से निकल आते हो, और एटलीस्ट आपको उसको उसको सॉल्व करने का एक तरीका या एक कहते हैं ना पैथ नजर आने लगता है कि मैं इससे कैसे निकल सकती हूँ। सिमिलर थिंग विद द थेरेपी, यू कैन सी जो आपके मेंटल हेल्थ स्पेशलिस्ट होते हैं या साइकाइट्रिस्ट, एंड यू कैन गेट मेडिकेशंस। वो मेडिकेशंस जो हैं वो आपको और पागल नहीं करती हैं। ये पाकिस्तानी मिथ है। प्लीज डोंट डोंट हार्म योर हेल्थ। It's going to hurt you a lot if you don't take medications. If you think medication can help you and the doctor is prescribing it, प्लीज ले लीजिए, ठीक है। उसके साइड इफेक्ट हर मेडिकेशन के होते हैं। ब्लड प्रेशर की मेडिकेशन के भी होते हैं, डायबिटीज की भी होते हैं, हर चीज के होते हैं। तो अगर इसके भी थोड़े से हैं, वो आपको लिखे हुए हैं, पेपर में है, ठीक है, डॉक्यूमेंट्स में आपको बताया जाएगा। लेकिन ऐसे कोई नहीं है कि आपकी मेंटल हेल्थ वर्स हो जाएगी। इट विल गेट बेटर।
Yeah.
So you will feel a betterment in mood. So yeah, and then talking to friends and families, having social groups, having your
Mhm.
just like Amreen mentioned, having your village. So yeah, that's all helpful.
Yeah, that those are excellent points, and I think every woman should know this. You should know how to seek for help. You should understand the signs and symptoms. कोई भी persistent feelings जो आपकी baseline feelings से मुख्तलिफ हो, that is, that could be a sign of postpartum depression. So always reach out to your PCP or your mental health therapist or your gynecologist or even the baby's pediatrician. Like जब मैं pediatrician के पास जाती हूँ, तो they give me a screening test each time because they're checking for signs and symptoms, which is I think is great. क्योंकि वो screening questions really help identify a lot of women, right? So I think ये तो definitely होना चाहिए, especially in Pakistan. And then एक और सवाल आया था even self care tips because women want to know कि अपने लिए टाइम कैसे निकालें या फिर हम लोग ने टाइम कैसे निकाले. I think the biggest thing that I did और जो मैं जिसके लिए सबसे ज़्यादा advocate करती हूँ is you sleep when the baby sleeps. जिसने नहीं सुना है, if you're a new mom or if you're currently expecting, like there is really no time that you have for yourself. You sleep or you sleep when your baby sleeps. Like I think we'll get you through because sleep
And
definitely
more than that, I would
will.
say, yeah, sleep when the baby sleep for sure. लेकिन अपने लिए टाइम निकालने में ये होता है कि आप जैसे अमरीन has a 7 month old, is 8 month old, and I have an almost 7 month old. So हम दोनों ने कैसे टाइम निकाला है? So what we do is you outsource things. ठीक है, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। अगर
बिल्कुल,
आपको
yeah,
नैनी चाहिए, आप नैनी रखें कुछ आवर्स के लिए। अगर आप अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते हैं, आप अपने पेरेंट्स से हेल्प लीजिए। वो भी अवेलेबल नहीं है, हस्बैंड से हेल्प लीजिए। उसको बताइए कि मुझे ये फीलिंग्स हो रही हैं डिप्रेशन की, एंड आई डोंट वांट टू हार्म माई सेल्फ एंड द बेबी। मुझे तुम्हारी सपोर्ट चाहिए, एंड आई थिंक ही विल स्टैंड अप। एंड इवन इफ दैट इज नॉट पॉसिबल, आपका कोई तो सपोर्ट सर्कल होगा, फ्रेंड्स जो भी है उनको बुलाइए। वो आपकी थोड़ी देर के लिए आधा घंटा बच्चा देख लेंगे। यू कैन गो फॉर अ फेशियल, यू कैन गो फॉर अ हेयर डू और whatever, a hair styling,
get
or
a
yeah,
nice warm shower,
social media,
whatever
yeah,
works
just a
for
long shower, exactly.
you.
Do whatever gives you peace. Even if you like scrolling on social media, do that. Just
Yeah,
take break for yourself. Take
yeah,
out this some time in the whole day for yourself.
yeah, yeah, absolutely.
So yeah, I think yeah, it's this. Can we have another question, or I think we should wrap up? It's all about time.
Yeah, I think we're almost at time since we were planning around a 20-minute podcast. But Eamon, do you wanna talk about the next topic? I think we had decided on autism, right? Which is another big topic that affects
Yes.
a lot of us, a
So
lot of our families.
especially our community, I'm seeing one child affected in each family, especially in Pakistani community, and it's a big thing going on right now. और हमें उसको address करना चाहिए और उन moms की help करनी चाहिए और उन parents की help करनी चाहिए जो इस problem से गुजर रहे हैं. How to tackle this? So we'll talk about autism in the next episode, and we have luckily a sponsor for that.
We have a special guest,
Yeah,
right?
we will advertise that,
Yeah.
and we will try to bring a mom too, ताकि हम आपको personal experience भी share कर सकें.
That'd be amazing. Yeah. And then, of course, send us your questions, right? Because if
Yes,
you have
I
any
know this topic was a bit taboo, but आगे के topics थोड़े हम easy भी करने की कोशिश करेंगे so that you can show up on the camera too. So please reach out to us for
yeah.
any collaboration, any appearance online. So yeah, thank you for joining us. It was wonderful to do this episode, and we look forward to the next episode.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
And follow
Bye.
us on Goal Roti Real Talk.